Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. It's Travis here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we are going to talk about which stock, specifically a SPAC, that the Wall Street Bets founder is going to be the next meme stock craze. Plus, we're also going to look into what's been going on with both Bitcoin and Ethereum. A lot to cover, so let's get into it. Alright, like I said guys, we are going to talk about which SPAC the Wall Street Bets founder thinks is going to be the next meme craze. We're also going to touch on what's been going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum because they are both really close to all-time highs, if not at all-time highs, as I'm filming today's video. But as always, before I get into that, take 2 seconds out of your day, smash that like button for me and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. It really helps out the channel. Alright, so without further ado, let's look at which SPAC we're talking about today. Alright, and I found this information on the site MoneyWise, and it says this one is next. Here's why Wall Street Bets founder Jamie Rogozinski, and I could be pronouncing that wrong, forgive me if I am, is tapping Trump's new SPAC as the clear meme trade of the day. Now, keeping a close eye on Reddit's Wall Street Bets forum has been a great idea for investors as of late. The 11 million member internet community led the charge during GameStop's 2-week, 1,500% short squeeze in January and is largely responsible for AMC Entertainment's massive 1,800% year-to-date run-up, and those incredible gains have led to the downfall of several hedge funds that made large leveraged bets against the companies in question, ultimately getting caught on the wrong side of the trade. But what is the next opportunity for you retail investors? And that is where the Wall Street Bets founder gave out some recommendations. And these are extremely volatile recommendations, but the one we're going to focus on is one you guys might recognize as its connection to the former president Donald Trump. And that is the SPAC Digital World Acquisitions Corp, ticker symbol DWAC. Following in the footsteps of GameStop and AMC, in late October, shares of DWAC skyrocketed from less than $10 a piece to as high as $175 before giving up a lot of those gains. Here you can see that DWAC or DWAC is trading just below that $60 threshold, but that is significantly lower than $175, but it's still a fantastic growth from the sub $10 starting point it had a couple months ago. So let's talk about what DWAC is and what could happen in the near term. DWAC is a special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC, that plans to merge with a social media company linked to the former president Donald Trump. His SPAC is clearly a new stock on the menu for the Wall Street Bets crowd, according to Rogozinski when he was speaking to Stansberry. Now, when asked about which stocks he thought the forum would ride next, he answered, and I quote, "I think it's clear that this one is next, and I think it's going to be a while before they move on to the next one." Again, a quote, "This is not a short squeeze situation. I believe the move is based off of inherent demand for this thing. There's a lot of excitement, and I think the price speaks for itself." Today, again, DWAC trading at about $57, $58, below that $60 mark, but that is still a great return in only a couple weeks. Specifically, where it's trading today is still over 500% growth from where it was only a few short weeks ago. And if you're a follower of Reddit's Wall Street Bets and you believe that the founder of Wall Street Bets might know what's going to happen next, you might want to be invested in DWAC and ride that out for the long haul. Even if it gets back to the $175 mark, that's tripling your money almost. So this is definitely a stock I'm going to have on my radar. Okay, getting off the SPAC topic, let's cover down on what has been going on with cryptocurrencies today, as they both have come near or reached all-time highs again. And of course, by both, I mean Bitcoin and Ethereum. Here's an article off Yahoo Finance that says Bitcoin closes in on a record above $66,000, leading cryptocurrencies on a fresh bull run. Now, Bitcoin's gain of over $4,000 on today alone is reflective of a broader bull trend across the cryptocurrency market, which is now valued above $3 trillion amid a broad-based crypto rally, and that's according to CoinGecko's data. Also, as far as a motivator for this jump goes, the head of OTC options trading for cryptocurrency exchange Kraken told Yahoo Finance this: the U.S. Security Exchange's approval for the first crypto-related ETF last month cannot be underestimated as a major driver for the Bitcoin rally. It massively de-risked Bitcoin and this space in general. Multiple news agencies have been covering the Bitcoin splash over the $66,000 mark, up to and including articles like this. And this one came out of Reuters, and it says crypto rally lifts Ether to new record and Bitcoin to near 3-week high. Here you can see Bitcoin trading at $66,400, again up almost $3,500 or almost 6% on the day. This is a slight dip from the high we saw earlier this morning, but fantastic growth on the day for Bitcoin, and I do anticipate this to continue going forward to the $68,000 mark. Now, to explain that, Bitcoin on its way to reach $68,000. In terms of price action as reported a few hours ago, Bitcoin stays consolidated above the critical handle of $64,000 after successfully breaking it and unleashing a wave of buyers. And the crypto is pushing higher and looking towards testing an all-time high in an effort to look at that $68,000 handle. Now, the 200 period simple moving average remains to guide the path for the bulls in the short and mid-term. And with respect to Ethereum, it is 100% at all-time highs, trading over $4,700. Check this out. Here you can see Ethereum trading at $4,781, up over 3% on the day, which is giving it a $150 plus increase on the price tag. Now, as Ethereum continues to grow, it could enter into a corrective phase once it reaches around the $5,000 mark. Now, it's picking up steam and looking to crack above that $4,700 mark, which again, we've seen that it has already done. And that's a strongly bullish mood that looks at the $5,000 level, giving enough room for the second largest crypto by market cap to rise even further. However, the RSI indicator is extremely overbought, and that does imply pullbacks are expected once it reaches that $5,000 milestone. Now, those of you that have been around watching the channel for a little while might remember a while back when I did a video on Ethereum, the likelihood that it could reach the $10,000 mark. And for it to have gone from about $3,000 when we were talking about that, maybe $3,500, to almost $5,000, we're getting dangerously close to seeing the potential of Ethereum as we continue to push towards that $10,000 price threshold. And I do still think that is a very, very viable target for the Ethereum price. And with cryptocurrencies getting such a huge push from Bitcoin, from Ethereum, and all the other altcoins out there, where does the market cap sit now for cryptocurrency as a whole? Well, FX Empire put out this. It says, crypto bull run, did the market cap hit the $3 trillion figure? Now, we won't get into that in too much detail. It's a whole lot of he said, she said. The bottom line is some people are saying it hit the $3 trillion threshold, while others are saying it's still sitting around $2.9 trillion. Bottom line, it's continuing to grow, and that is a good thing for cryptocurrency investors. So there you have it, guys. Today's video focusing on DWAC, the next SPAC that the Wall Street Bets founder seems to think could be the next meme frenzy. So I'm going to keep my eye on that. Also highlighting the huge bullish market in the cryptocurrency realm via Bitcoin and Ethereum. So hopefully you guys got something of value out of today's video. If you did, please remember, smash the like button for me, consider subscribing to the channel, and always remember, I am not your financial advisor. These videos are just provided for information and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own due diligence before investing your hard-earned money into any equity or cryptocurrency. And until next time, guys, bottoms up.